myself Nitesh Kumar Mishra from MISUMI India, taking care of this product, Linear Motor Actuator. So basically, today we'll know what is the working principle of this actuator. Actually, this linear motor actuator is working on the principle of magnetic repulsion. Means the repulsive action between the two magnets. Actually, the stator part is the permanent magnet, and the rotor part, the slider itself, is a motor which is working as an electromagnet. So having a two magnets as a permanent magnet and thus electromagnet, creating a repulsive action which creates the linear motion. So in the technical word, we can say it is working on the maglev application and the type of magnetic levitation. So due to the application of due to the working principle of this product, we have a good features of this product, like the speed. The maximum speed of this product is the 2 meters per second. And the lifespan of this product is the 50,000 hours. Like if we will operate 24/7, then we'll go up to the 5.5 years without maintenance. So the accuracy of this product will be the plus minus 5 micron, and we can also achieve the plus minus 2 micron by using the optical fiber scales. So thank you.